So here we are with this wonderful basket. It dates around 1930s. It has a beautiful, varied kind of plating. It's called a twill plating for the bottom that extends up into the body of the piece here, and then into a more free-form pattern. It also has the wisteria branch that is woven throughout in a very free-form kind of spirit, which is quite a wonderful thing. This would have a large opening for flowers, like maybe grasses, to be coming out of for the arrangement. All in all, a very pleasing and form and shape for this basket. This type of a basket could be very well used just on display, just because it has just a very pleasing, pleasant place on a shelf.